One of the biggest reasons people fail with AI has nothing to do with the technology. It's because they choose the wrong business. In this video, I'll show you a simple framework for choosing an AI business that actually fits your skills, your budget, and the amount of time you have, even if you're starting from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which path makes the most sense for you and which ones you should avoid. Hey, I'm Alexander Reed. When I first discovered AI, I made the same mistake a lot of people make. I chased every new business idea. One week it was affiliate marketing. The next it was digital products, newsletters, or automation. I spent more time switching directions than making progress. Everything changed when I stopped asking, what's the best AI business? And started asking, which business actually fits me? That simple shift changed everything, and it's the framework I want to share with you today. And if you're trying to figure out which AI business to start, you've probably experienced the same thing. Everyone seems to have a different answer. One person says YouTube. Someone else says affiliate marketing. Another swears by AI agencies or SaaS. After a while, it all sounds convincing. But here's the truth. There isn't one perfect AI business. There are only businesses that fit different people. That's why, instead of telling you what to build, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple questions that will help you discover the business that's right for you. Because confusion is expensive. Clarity builds wealth. So let's start with the first question. Decision number 4. What are you actually trying to build? Before you choose an AI business, ask yourself one simple question. What am I actually trying to build? Most people immediately answer, I want to make money. And there's nothing wrong with that. But making money and building wealth aren't always the same thing. One person uses AI to complete client projects and gets paid every time they work. Another uses AI to build content, digital products, or an affiliate website that continues creating value long after it's published. Both earn income, but only one is building assets. Now, freelancing can be a fantastic way to generate cash flow, especially if you're just getting started. But if your goal is long-term financial freedom, eventually you have to shift from earning income to owning assets. The right choice also depends on your life today. If you only have a few hours each week, focus on businesses you can improve consistently over time, instead of businesses that demand all of your free time. Don't ask, how can AI help me make money? Ask, how can AI help me build something I'll still own years from now? Decision number 3. What problems do you actually enjoy solving? The best businesses don't begin with a product. They begin with a problem. AI can help you research faster, create faster, and market faster, but it can't decide what problems you genuinely care about solving. Only you can answer that. Think about the questions people naturally ask you. What knowledge or experience do you already have that others find valuable? That's often where your biggest opportunity exists. Here's why this matters. Every business becomes challenging at some point. Growth slows, ideas fail, algorithms change. If you're only chasing money, those moments make it easy to quit. But if you're solving problems you actually enjoy, you'll keep showing up, even when progress feels slow. And that's where consistency begins to compound. People don't pay for AI. They pay for solutions. AI simply helps you deliver those solutions faster. Decision number 2. Are you building a business or building a brand? One of AI's biggest advantages is leverage. Today, one person can accomplish what once required an entire team. But I think too many people focus on building products before they build trust. Ask yourself this. Who are you more likely to buy from? Someone you've learned from consistently, or a website you've never heard of? Most of us choose the person we trust. That's why your brand is one of the most valuable assets you'll ever build. Every helpful video, every article, every conversation strengthens your reputation. Whether you have 5 hours a week or 50, consistently showing up builds trust. Platforms will change. AI tools will change. But trust stays with you. And that's an advantage no technology can replace. Decision number 1. What can you still see yourself building 5 years from now? This is the question that brings everything together. Don't choose a business based on the schedule you wish you had. Choose one that fits the life you have today and one you'll still enjoy building 5 years from now. Social media makes success look instant. What you don't see are the years of learning, testing, and improving behind every overnight success. Real wealth is built through consistency. Not excitement, not motivation, consistency. That's why I chose this YouTube channel. Not because I thought it would make money quickly, but because I genuinely enjoy studying wealth, business, technology, and human behavior. Even when a video underperforms, I'm excited to create the next one. That's the kind of business you're looking for. The best AI business isn't the one making the most money today. It's the one you'll still be improving after everyone else has moved on. Because that's when everything starts to compound. Your knowledge, your reputation, your audience, your assets, and ultimately, your wealth. Now that you've answered these 4 questions, choosing the right AI business becomes much simpler. You're no longer chasing trends. You're choosing a business that's built around your life, your strengths, and your future, putting it all together. So, what AI business should you choose? The answer isn't the one making the most money today. It's the one that fits your life, your strengths, and your long-term goals. If you only have a few hours each week, build something that compounds over time, like a YouTube channel, an affiliate website, a newsletter, or digital products. If you're creative, let AI speed up your workflow so you can spend more time creating ideas people actually care about. If you're analytical, businesses need people who can help them understand and implement AI. That demand is only growing. And if you already have experience in a profession or industry, don't start over. Use AI to multiply the expertise you already have. The right business isn't the one that's easiest to start. It's the one you'll still be excited to improve years from now. My 4-question filter. Whenever I look at a new business idea, I ask myself 4 simple questions. First, does it solve a real problem? If the answer is no, I move on. Second, does AI help me build it faster? Not build it for me, build it with me. Third, will I still own something valuable a year from now? A brand, a website, a product, an audience, something that keeps creating value. And finally, would I still enjoy working on this if it didn't make money right away? Because the businesses that build wealth rarely explode overnight. They compound over time. Final takeaway. If there's one lesson I hope you remember, it's this. Don't choose the AI business that's making the most money today. Choose the one you'll still be building 5 years from now. AI will continue to evolve. New tools will appear. Business models will change. But people who consistently build valuable assets, develop real skills, and earn trust will always have an advantage. That's how lasting wealth is built. Not by chasing every opportunity, but by committing to the right one. If you're still deciding what kind of AI business to build, you'll also find business building resources inside my free Ultimate AI Resource Guide. It's linked below if you'd like to grab a copy. If this video helped you gain some clarity, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed. Every episode in this series builds on the last, and we're creating a complete roadmap for using AI to build assets, businesses, and lasting wealth, not just follow the latest trends. Now that you've figured out which type of AI business fits you, there's one more question you need answered. Which business models are actually worth your time? Because not all AI businesses are created equal. In the next episode, I'm going to rank the most popular AI business models from worst to best based on startup cost, scalability, long-term income potential, competition, and how well they help you build real assets instead of just another job. Some of the rankings might surprise you. I'll see you in the next video.